In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back your Elementor version. This can be particularly handy if you've recently updated Elementor and are encountering issues with the new version, or if you simply prefer the way a previous version of the plugin operated. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step so you can get your site back to where you want it to be. First, you'll want to access your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your site, from posts and pages to plugins like Elementor. Once you're logged into your dashboard, glance over at the side menu. Here, you'll find a list of all your site's functionalities. Now, look for the Elementor option. Hover over it, and a submenu will appear. Click on Tools in this submenu. This will direct you to a new page specifically for Elementor's settings and utilities. Once you're on the Tools page, you should see several tabs at the top. What we're interested in today is the Version Control tab, so go ahead and click on that. This section of Elementor is incredibly useful for managing what version of the plugin you're running. It's always smart to have an awareness of this, as each version comes with its own set of features and occasionally bugs. Once you've clicked on Version Control, you'll find yourself presented with a handy feature, Rollback Version. This is where you can select a previous version of Elementor. Clicking on the drop-down menu will give you a list of available versions to which you can revert. It's crucial to pick one that you're familiar with or that you know worked better for your needs. Use this opportunity to consider which version might best suit your site's current requirements. Once you've made your choice from the drop-down, it's time to proceed with rolling back. To do this, simply click on the Reinstall button. This may take a few moments, as Elementor removes the current version and reinstates the one you've selected. It's similar to hitting the Rewind button and letting Elementor step back in time to that previous state. A quick reminder here. Whenever you're making changes like this to your website, it's a good idea to ensure you have a reliable backup of your site. Backups serve as a safety net so that even if things go awry, you have a quick way to restore all your content and settings. And there you have it. You've successfully rolled back to a previous version of Elementor. By doing this, you should be able to enjoy the smoother, more reliable version that better suits your needs. As always, keep an eye on how your site is performing, and feel free to reach out if you have questions or need further help. Thanks for watching, and have a great day optimizing your site.